In this video, I'm going to take on a special challenge. Choose 10 cool and common tech products. Use Lego to perfectly replicate them and get started. First, let's make a phone. Weld multiple flat panels with 4 slope bricks. I played a little trick. You can leave a few stud positions. Next, I'm going to use the screen to create volume buttons. Use a few mini LED lights to create a phone screen. Finally, of course, install various apps on the iPhone. So I found a pile of 2x2 small squares from the bed. Colorful little squares can just be installed. Install various apps on the phone screen. Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, and Discord and Spotify, and so on. How come the screen is stuck? No reaction at all. Next, I'm going to make a pair of AirPods. This is a great idea, because I happen to have a real pair. I can use it as a reference. I picked up 2 small minifigure ore pieces. Attach a white minifigure head to each piece. Now we've successfully assembled a pair of AirPods. Now I can connect to my iPhone via Bluetooth and play some awesome music. Wow, it fits pretty well on the ears. Another high-tech product is VR equipment. Now I'm going to try to build a pair of Lego VR glasses. In order to make it as practical as the real thing, I specifically left a slot to put the phone in, so that you can truly see things after wearing it. Since Lego doesn't have ready-made elastic parts, I had to make do with rubber bands, so that it can be fixed on the face. Wow, this effect is a bit magical. It's no different from the real glasses. I never thought wearing a tech gadget on my face would feel so cool. Although it's all black in front of me. What's going on? Next, I'm going to transform into a gaming otaku. Get ready to build a set of gaming equipment with Lego. I plan to build 2 Switch controllers first. After installing all kinds of buttons, in the center position, I'm going to make a blank screen. To be honest, this still looks a bit low. So I decided to remove the black screen. Add some Minecraft gameplay footage. And some landscape trees. Also villagers and Steve. Then build Steve a little house. To make it feel more like Minecraft. I'm also planning to add a health bar and hunger levels. Hey, buddy, your health bar is almost empty. Quick, eat this fried chicken. Whoa, almost game over. Anyway, the Lego game console is definitely solid. Now we've got the earphones and smart glasses done. These wearable devices. Next target. Let's make an Apple Watch for fun. For the strap part, I plan to use hinge parts to build the watch face. Directly put on a black plate screen. Here it is, isn't it? Finally, attach studs of various colors. Isn't this the app icon on the watch? After assembling all the parts, our Apple Watch is complete. But to truly complete this watch, we have to make a signature Apple-style advertisement for it, presenting to you the true future technology. We are committed to making every Apple product better, more powerful, and more swift. Seriously, it feels so good to wear it. Wow, my wrist is now bling bling. Oh no. It's actually dripping water. There's also a black technology. It's those cleaning robots running around everywhere. I want to see if I can make it run like that too. I'm going to use Lego's electric components to drive a few wheels. This will really make it run. Next, I'm going to build another set of wheels. When the wheels turn, this grid structure can push the parts into the compartments. Now it's time to test the effect. Okay, it's time to clean up, right? Oh my god. This is such a disaster, because the effect is not as expected at all. But after a few more tries, Hysen cleaned up some parts. Not bad, not bad. Continue. Hey, wait. Stop. Stop quickly. How about we make a smart speaker? You know, the round ones that can talk. First, I'll take some Lego. Then, I'll use lateral building techniques to put them all together. Next, I'll make a base, so it can stand steadily. It's done. Our Lego Lexa is assembled. The finished product looks quite pleasing to the eye. Alexa, order me a chicken nugget combo. Alexa, never mind. I still prefer Jarvis. Back to the main topic. Next, I'm going to check out the local electronics store. What can I build with Lego? Let's first try out some batteries. I plan to use round parts to build a thin-walled cylinder. How about we try a blender? This time, it's quite a challenge. After all, I want it to actually work as a blender. I'm going to put this Lego electric component on the bottom. I'll build a cup on top to put ingredients in. Let's see what this thing can do. First, let's test it out with some fruit. Wow, this thing can actually be used as a blender. I also impulsively tried it earlier, and the previously made AirPods and Lego bricks. As a result, I put in too much. Damn, it broke everything directly. How about those refrigerators with screens, etc.? What the hell is this? I'm going to make this to minifigure scale. As for the screen, a 24-piece plate is enough to get it done. Why don't people play with light bulbs now? This is easy. I need to come up with a good idea. Okay, done. Brothers, let's get to work on this. I don't even need to assemble it myself. The next tech product to assemble is a camera. Just like the one I'm using to film this video. This time, I'll start by building a rectangular body. Then, add screens and various buttons on both sides. Finally, let's assemble the camera lens. Use this transparent disc part to create the effect of the lens glass. This Lego camera is absolutely amazing. The camera is finished. But have you seen a flying camera? The next challenge is a Lego drone. I'm going to pick out some loose parts first. Try to build a standard drone. After the shape is finished, I will make a front-facing camera. Next, build GBS from 4 different angles. Attach propellers to the end of each arm. Seriously, from a distance, this thing looks like a real drone. Unfortunately, I don't know how to make it actually fly. Damn, it crashed into a tree. Also, there is a high-tech vehicle, an electric car. How about we build a Tesla with Lego? These cars have a simple design, but are full of futuristic feeling. I'll just grab some parts. Let's do a speed build challenge and get it done. Tesla is built. Fully built inside. Consider 2 Lego minifigures. Also added a spoiler. Details like door handles and rear view mirrors. But the most important thing is to match it with. I want to make a Lego version of a Musk minifigure. It needs to be charged before driving. So I built this Lego charging station. Now the Tesla is fully charged. Ready to go anytime. Another popular tech product is the PS5 game console. This model will be quite large. So I need to prepare a lot of Lego bricks. I plan to start assembling from the main console part. Judging by the shape, it should be assembled like this. After several hours of assembly, I think I finally found the best solution for the side panels. Then I started assembling. The middle part uses a horizontal splicing technique. This splicing method makes the appearance black. After assembling all the parts, the entire console is complete. The finished product is even more stunning than I expected, using multiple inclined brick plates, plus the miniature parts to make the buttons and joysticks. It seems we have successfully recreated a PlayStation 5 with Lego bricks. The final technology masterpiece I'm going to challenge is a whole set of esports-grade PC equipment. This challenge is not easy. After all, there are too many parts to DIY. I decided to start with a mechanical keyboard first. First, build an ultra-thin base. Then put on a row of colourful keycaps. Only then does it look like proper gaming equipment. Now, just assemble these parts. And it's done. Seriously, this finished product is so satisfying to look at. Next, I'm going to build a gaming mouse. So I've chosen a lot of streamlined components. Great! I really feel like a professional gamer now. Now let's start assembling a real gaming PC. This PC will be quite large. First, build the outer frame of the PC. Then assemble various internal electronic components, including a motherboard with RAM and a graphics card, and 2 mini cooling fans. Finally, install a transparent side panel on the side of the chassis. The computer host is assembled. This case is really big. Now only the last piece of equipment is missing. I'm going to build a monitor with bricks, using a few base plates and a bunch of brick parts. But nothing is displayed on the screen now. And there are no games to play. How about we play Roblox? If you're not interested, we can also try something like 419. The most important thing is to test the durability of this screen. So I'm going to be like those raging guys. Quit the game directly in anger. Give it a punch. Wow. This is too fragile. Fortunately, this isn't a real screen. Let's continue. Now it's time to assemble all these tech gadgets. All are in this video as well. I didn't expect to come up with so much black technology. This video has really been a lot of work. Thanks for watching. Long press the like button. See you next time in the Lego world.